A sportier version of the Ertiga MPV called the Ertiga GT would be unveiled on the 23rd of March. But before that happens, a few pictures of the car have been leaked. The pictures show the Ertiga GT in all black color scheme. It gets all-around body kit with front and rear bumper extensions, all black alloy wheels, a new grille and a rear spoiler. Red GT badging helps the car differentiate itself from the standard Ertiga. Under the hood, the car gets the same 1.5-litre petrol engine just like the India spec model. No major changes is expected on the inside. The Ertiga GT would be launched in Indonesia and later in various other world markets.